They don't care about your financial struggles. They're too worried about their own. They may have tall buildings, and they may have nice offices, but your financial problems are your own, and there's nobody that's going to help you. Or is there? Yes, there is. And you don't need to hire a credit repair attorney. You can do it yourself. With a revolutionary new plan developed by a credit repair and debt settlement attorney. Right now, click the little banner in the corner of this video, and you'll discover life-changing financial secrets.